back by popular demand. Lonnie and Dennis are in the shop. We got a little repair to do on Lonnie's sled, and then wait till you see what we're doing with this trailer tonight. That's going to be a blast. Just another day at Nutter Speed Shop. Little trailer repair. We got a little rust we're dealing with. Gonna weld some angle iron patches in quick and make it whole again.
Window just broke.
You're now scared of all this thing.
It's cold.
It's been used in colder weather than this. All right, so the purple-headed snow warrior is back in the shop. It's the rear shock is blown, which is unfortunate because if you're shopping for these shocks for 8-inch skids, they're non-existent right now. I got really lucky. I hopped on eBay on Saturday. Somebody had 16 of them for sale, so I bought a couple, which means we have just enough for Lonnie's sled, Dennis's TX 340, and soon you'll see my TX 340 that also needs one. So we don't have any extras. Don't ask, because people are already asking. I've been getting texts the last week. We don't have any either, but we got just enough for us.
Let's do it.
All right, as you can see, we're attempting to do this without pulling the skid. Lonnie's working on the upper shock bolts. They're the tough ones. Then we'll try to get the lower shock bolts out. And if we get really mad at the whole thing, we'll just pull the skid. Well, that sucked. So we're just going right to take the skid out and keep going.
Nope, still spinning the sleeve.
All right, let's just cut the heads off. Cut the heads off and spread it and get it out. So let's work on this one down here, and then we'll grind that off up there, and we'll find a new bolt. That's what we're gonna have to do. I don't know how it's trapped that bad, but I want nothing.
What you got going on here, Lonnie?
Danny's constantly texting
Getting her back together, buddy.
about it. His Ultra. Yeah, that's right.
It ain't purple, it ain't gold, but it's a shock.
It's got sparks, but
So here we are. We got Nutter working on the track with Lonnie. I'm staying back here trying to stay clean.
good luck with that. Here, give me the camera. Show up your nice new hoodie that you just got today. That's a beautiful Polaris TX hoodie, Dennis.
Yeah, it might need some Dawn dishwash soap or something.
And it wasn't just Dennis. I got it. And Lonnie. Better.
Yep.
Everybody got it.
Can't tell we're working on a vintage sled, can you?
Little greasy.
Oh, I believe there's suspension there again. You.
Yeah, we see a shock moving down there. Way to go, Lonnie. Good job.
Yeah, buddy.
Well, we all have matching greasy spots on our shirt, but Lonnie's got a functional skid shock again. It was pretty bad. I mean, you give it a little hop and it would go all the way to the ground. So this is good because we're going for a ride on Saturday up to the blacksmith show, which unfortunately this video won't come out until after that. So if you see us there, that's great. But I don't know. It was a pretty good little deal. We did have to pull the skid out. You saw that. And it was just very normal. And we hope you enjoyed our antics with the trailer. Unfortunately, that really wasn't for your entertainment. That was just so I didn't have to weld laying on my back in 5 degrees below zero on ice.
Yeah, not fun.
Not fun.
But much appreciated. Thank you.
Yep, no problem. So Lonnie's good to go on his trailer again. And I don't know. What do you got to say?
I tried to stay clean and back out of the way. And, you know, my new hoodie, which is a snowmobile hoodie, so it's going to get dirty eventually.
That's a nice hoodie.
And yes, these new shocks, and yeah, here's one over here. I'm claiming this one.
All right. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and like the video. Leave us some comments. We love your comments. Farley loves your comments. Hi, Farley.
And treats.
And treats. We got, that reminds me. Look down in the comments. I got a Patreon going. If you're interested in maybe some extra videos and behind the scenes stuff, I'm willing to do that if I get some people to sign up for the Patreon. Got a P.O. box now. You can send Farley dog treats to my P.O. box. And this will come out after my video on my Polaris Edge where I did the TPS. But there's if you have an Edge and you need to fix your TPS, go back, look at the parts I use, click on those. Those are Amazon affiliate links, and they'll help support the channel. And if you're sick of Facebook, I've got some sled groups going on MeWe. So head on over there too. All right, see you on the trails.
See you on the trails.